everybody, welcome to the channel. Welcome. I hope you're all fantastic. I hope you're all good. All right, this is just to show you guys this website. Now, as I told you guys, or as I said before, I'm trying to share with you websites that that are legit, like legit, and that are going to maybe help us to make money. Only for those people who want to do websites that are not like quick scheme platforms, because guys, I've experienced things and I'm tired, to be honest with you. Guys, I tried and I was stubborn. I tried and I was stubborn. I tried, and then but it seems like these websites, they don't work for us, especially these ones that are quick scheme websites. I think, guys, we need to stay away from these things. And I also think there are websites that are actually legit. Okay, now this website that you see on the screen, I saw it on one of the websites I am part of, where I am also trying to make money on. On that website, people are posting or sharing their websites that they are using to make money. So I saw it there. It's a cryptocurrency website. You can deposit using Bitcoin, you can deposit using USDT and Ethereum and all of that. Okay, so what you see on the screen right now is my dashboard. It's an investment site, guys, just to be very clear to you. So what I've done so far is to deposit $25 because I'm intending on investing the whole money, which is $25, and then we will see, guys, on how things are going to go. Now, when you see there on the deposit, let me just click on the deposit so that I show you guys the deposit that I made. At the bottom there, you see there is a success. The deposit went through. And then now this investment that you see at the bottom, I think it's cancelled. Okay, because I cancelled it because I wanted to use Bitcoin. I wasn't even aware that you can use Bitcoin, so that is why it was cancelled. So what I'm going to do, it is to invest a $25, all right, amount. Let me maybe type here and let's just do that. Okay, that is going to be this one. It's an Elite. Okay, if you want a Pro, of course it's 1,000 and all of that. So as you can see there, $25. Now, I don't know, guys, on the procedure on how you do this and how this is done in terms of investing, but it seems like when you type there any amount that you want to invest, it actually highlights what the package that actually you will be under. For example, if maybe I can type 1,000, there you go, you see it changes to another. So let me just put that $25, and then I think what I can do, I will just click deposit over there. I am making an investment. Now I'm trying this because this is the first time, because, guys, I've deposited first. Okay, so I don't know if that's the way it's done, but we will see it, guys. Okay, let's click on the deposit there. Okay, but if it doesn't do what we want, you see, this is the thing. Now, the reason why this is here, it is because I need to deposit, but I don't want to deposit. I've already deposited. Okay, all I can do is just to cancel that. Okay, as you can see, it's doing it. You see, waiting, so I can cancel it over there. All right, if maybe you've made a mistake, and then you can just confirm and cancel that. There you go. So I've canceled it. Now it seems like when you put an amount, right, which is, for example, if maybe you put 1,000, okay, it's gonna highlight what you are actually buying. You don't have to like go back and invest again. It will highlight it automatically, it seems, And then when you deposit, of course, because it had detected, okay, that you actually want this one, it will actually invest it for you automatically, because it's an AI thing. Okay, so that is why you see this one here. You see the success. The success is because of I've made a deposit, so it was approved. I used Luno, I used Bitcoin, so that is why, ladies and gentlemen, you see that balance that you saw over there. Now I'm going to make sure that I share with you guys the progress of the investment. So we will look at that all together, guys, and everything. So as you can see here, I am in bronze. I think, is it bronze? Yeah, I think so. It's bronze. So you will see over here, you see this part here. Sorry, this part here where it says 00, and that there. Okay, it's gonna count there. When I receive my earnings are going to be there. Okay, so you will see them, guys. I will update you, I think every week. I don't know how many times, but I will update you. I think every day I will update you. Every day, no, maybe after 2 days or anything, I will update you. Okay, let me maybe open on the view details. So there's not a lot of things, guys, to share with you here, but you know, and all of that. So okay, $25 amount, max raw error, whatever there. It seems like what I am going to earn, I'm not 100% sure, but it seems like what I'm going to get at the end of the investment, it's going to be $75 if I'm not mistaken. And then I think it's going to be July 19th. Oh, that is the date I actually made an investment. So I don't know about this 10:29 a.m. I think maybe, well, guys, because I'm not 100% sure, I don't want to behave as if I know everything. Okay, but I will do some research, also watch the videos where they are talking about it, and then I will give you guys at least something that is solid. But I've made an investment already, so we will see the progress and everything. Now if you're interested, I will put the link in the description. You know the drill, guys. If you're interested, click the links, research first or read it first so that you can understand. Okay, but it's an AI thing, so you will know, guys. If you want, you can maybe go at the bottom. I don't know where you can find this. I think, oh, on the outside of the website. Okay, you will find where they talk about the company, where they actually tell you on how you will make money. Okay, but at the end of the day, all you need to know is the investment side. Please, guys, it's an investment site. Okay, so stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe so that when I make videos about the website, at least you can see it and everything like that. Subscribe, hit the notification bell every time I'm posting these videos. At least, guys, you will see them first and everything like that. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening, and please subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends, those who are interested in investing. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Before I say shwee, the link in the description. Have a fantastic day. Shwee.